the Xiaomi branding. Hey guys, today I have with me Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 395 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display with cornering Gorilla Glass protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume button. Power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On top, there is an IR blaster and speaker grills. Bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray, and a speaker grill. Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G comes with a 108 megapixel triple camera setup. Also, you will see the Xiaomi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 5nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 120-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 108 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 108 megapixel primary camera, supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera. The software version of Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.